Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see connected Wi-Fi password. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. So in order to see the Wi-Fi password, everyone has now access to check the Wi-Fi password. So if you have connected the Wi-Fi and you want to check that password, or if your friend connected your device with Wi-Fi and you don't know the password and you don't want to know the password, then this video is absolutely for you. So you have to just simply open up your phone Wi-Fi settings. So after opening up phone Wi-Fi setting, you have to just simply click on the tab share password. So you have to just simply click on it. So it will provide you a QR code of your Wi-Fi. So you have to just simply click on done, or you guys can see in some of the devices, you guys can see the password below the QR code. But here you guys can see there is no any password. So you have to just simply go to done and take the screenshot of that QR code. So I've already taken the screenshot of that. You have to just simply go back and open up the Google Play Store or search for any QR code scanner, or you guys can simply go to the Google Chrome. So this method is a bit easy and fast. So you have to just simply click on the top left corner of like lens icon, or you guys can select the this camera icon. So you have to just simply click on it. So after clicking on that, Google Lens icon will be opened here. So you have to just simply select that screenshot which you have made earlier. So I am selecting that one, and it will take some time, and you guys can see our network name has been displaying here and password as well, as you guys can see here. So in order to see the Wi-Fi password, you guys can do this kind of stuff. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.